how to log in to Instagram account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log in to Instagram account on iPhone or iOS device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on open option, or you want to simply open up your Instagram application, and you should get an interface like this. Now here you want to either enter in your username, email or mobile number, and here you want to enter in your password, right? And then you want to simply tap on log in option and you'll be logged in. In my case, I've already saved my login info, so you can see it'll simply, once you tap on it, once you enter in your ID password, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Instagram account. Now if you want to log into another account, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then simply tap on settings and privacy. Now once you do so, you want to scroll all the way down below here and then tap on logout option, or you just want to make it easier, then what you can do is simply tap on add account option, and there you'll be able to add another account. So this way you can log in to your account on Instagram on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.